Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and I want to show you how you can look at your bookings appointments to see if your calendar is configured correctly. This is kind of a proofing thing, so you might not need to look at this. So this is maybe interesting to some, trifling to others. I'm in Outlook 365 webmail right now. I want to click over to, actually not to calendars, let's go to bookings. And I want to go down to services, and I also want to select my school and pick up the URL for the advising URL for my location, and let's copy that. Let's open a new tab and place this in the address bar at the top. There we go. And hit enter. Select Darrell Barnes in my case, that happens to be me. And this is the 20th. This day is no longer available. This next weekend set is Thanksgiving, so my next available would be in December as far as advising. I have the first week blocked off because I'm scheduled for jury duty. That may change. Let's go to the 7th though. It looks like I've got time available there. It looks like I'm available in the morning. I have a lunch break, and then I have an afternoon availability. It looks like I've got an appointment because I know I have a 2 o'clock time slot available. So let's go back to my calendar and see how this matches to the availability shown here. Let's go back on the previous tab, and let's go back to Outlook, and then let's go to calendar at the bottom. Let's go to December 7th week. There we go. And so yes, it shows that I'm open in the morning. I have a lunch break, have a little afternoon opening here, and there it is. There is a general college appointment already made for that time slot. So that matches nicely. Well, what if I needed to modify one of these if it wasn't fitting the right time slot? Just click on it and just click edit, and then you can either edit the event itself or all events in the series. Pretty sweet. This may be helpful for you to make sure everything is jiving properly.